Hi everyone, my name is Jeremy Clark. Welcome to my course, C# Interfaces. I am a technical speaker and trainer who makes developers better. I struggled for a long time with interfaces, but after getting a good understanding, I found that interfaces help make my code easier to maintain, extend, and test. This course is a practical introduction to understanding interfaces and how to get over the hurdles that developers struggle with. Some of the major topics that we will cover include making our code more flexible by using interfaces, creating our own interface to connect an application to different data sources, using default implementation to extend our interfaces, and comparing interfaces and abstract classes. By the end of this course, you'll be comfortable using and implementing interfaces in your own code, and that can make code easier to maintain, extend, and test. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basic features and syntax of the C# language, including methods, classes, and inheritance. And after completing the course, you should feel comfortable diving into courses on dependency injection, design patterns, and unit testing. I hope you'll join me on this journey to better C# with the C# Interfaces course at Pluralsight.